pets will get arthritis as they start to age, and one of the signs that we see is that they are slow to rise. They'll be sleeping and they'll go to get up, and it will be a much slower process than it used to. They also may not want to willingly jump up and down on couches or walk up and down steps. They may sway when they walk, and they might be a little bit more cranky when you go to brush them or groom them around their legs. Some dogs will and cats will just lick over the joints that are painful. There's a lot we can do to alleviate pain and keep those joints moving, and the goal of treatment is to keep everything where it's at now so it doesn't get worse, and to make sure our pets are pain-free. So a veterinary examination is a great first step. Sometimes we need to do x-rays or further tests to determine what's going on, but a lot of the times it is just a physical examination and a discussion on what's available. There are some great injections that will help joints to stay healthy, and they are not steroid injections, and then they have got very, very few side effects, but they get a really good outcome. And there are some more traditional medications that are needed for when pets have more advanced arthritis. At home, there's a lot that you can do to help them as well. So having nice, flat, comfortable bedding that's easy to get in and out of is good. Keeping the environment warm, because chronic arthritis, it stiffens up in colder weather, as it will with people. Making sure your pet's at ideal body weight is incredibly important. We don't want fat animals because they become quite stiff and it's much worse on their joints. And their diet is important to review. Very happy to give advice at Selwood House over what's a good diet for an older pet, because we want diets rich in antioxidants that keep the joints as healthy as possible. That's a really good question. We do want to keep exercise going. If we don't keep those joints moving, they stiffen up all the more. But the type of exercise is best if it's gentle exercise. So going on sniff walks, which also help their brain keep active, and keep getting them up to go for a walk around the garden. Probably for a dog, an average of 20, maybe 30 minutes at most daily of a gentle walk is very, very good to keep them moving. Same with cats, encouraging them to get up and walk around the house is a good idea. There's a lot out there. You can go and look at lots of pet stores and find many medications to help older pets with arthritis. And some of them are incredibly good, others don't work so well. You have to be careful that some of the products don't have high mercury content so that they are safe to use in our dogs. There is one product that has become recently available that I'm not sponsored to say this, but I'm finding it's working really well, and that's a capsule called Antinol that can be used for cats and dogs. And it's a patented extract. It's a lipid extract from green-lipped mussels, and it's also got some krill oil, and the combination seems to be incredibly powerful as an anti-inflammatory and a pain reduction, and it's a natural product with no side effects. And you can get that through your local vet. So arthritis is common in older pets. It's hard, sometimes subtle, it comes on with them slowing down. There's a lot we can do to help preserve their joints and keep them mobile, and particularly to keep them pain-free. There's a lot you can do at home, helping them to continue exercising and providing comfortable bedding and warmth. And there's natural supplements available which can work really well, and there's also some great medications to give your pet good quality of life.